Good morning, students. Today we will study about brief history of bacteria. Bacteria were discovered by a Dutchman, Anton von Leeuwenhoek, in 1676. 1676. Pasteur in the year 1864 realized that these organisms were the agents that were responsible for the chemical change in the wine and beer. He observed that the acid wine, rope wine, and the sour beer were caused by these organisms. It was later recognized that the production of alcoholic beverage and the formation of lactic acid from sugar were the result of an important microbial activity. That means it is a fermentation. Few years later, Robert Koch in 1876 clearly reported that certain bacteria were the specific agent of infectious disease in the higher animal. He found that Bacillus anthracis was the cause of anthrax, which were then epidemic in sheep, cattle, and other domestic animal, and also occur in man. Since 1890 or so, these organisms were studied more intensively, and many physiological as well as physical properties were determined by great number of scientists. Today, the study of bacteria has come to be recognized as a distinct field of biology. This is known as the bacteriology. The current scheme of classification assigns the true bacteria to the kingdom Monera of prokaryote. Occurrence and distribution of bacteria. They are highly successful, more abundant, and diverse organisms that can obtain energy and carbon from a wide range of sources, and therefore are found in virtually even in the every habitual habitat. That is, they are ubiquitous. They are found floating in the atmosphere mostly as a wanderer on the dust particle up to a height of several thousand feet, except just after heavy rainfall or snowstorm, when the air is generally free of them. Bacteria are found in the soil down to a depth of a few inches or few feet. Many millions of bacteria are present in the gram of soil. They are, of course, particularly abundant in the sewage. They are found in the rain water and in a freshly fallen snow, as well as in the natural bodies of water and in all the drinking water which has not been boiled. They are abundant upon the surface of human body and are present in a large number in the intestinal tract and on the mucous membrane. Unlike many higher organisms, bacteria have no natural death. Chief characteristics of bacteria. The bacteria are microscopic, unicellular, chlorophyll free prokaryotes which reproduce by binary fission. They may occur singly or in aggregation to form colonies. In bacterial colonies, the individual cells are functionally independent. They are physiologically and biologically diverse. Some bacteria possess rigid cell wall and others do not. Some are motile whereas others are not. If motile, they have several different locomotory mechanisms. The nutritional requirements are markedly varied. Thank you.